Okay, very good. So now you will do some question in screen also. That is from 16 to 20. I will allow it to do it in screen. Abacus, the abacus which you are able to see right now. You can see abacus above your head in the screen. Yes. So I am writing some question in the screen. You will do that in the screen only. Okay. So let me first write the question 8993. I want to see you are using the abacus in correct manner or not. 8993. Now do this one. 7299.
7299.
Yes.
Okay. 7. Okay, 3 minutes. 7. 7.
Then 2.
7. 2. Click on the bits.
Click on the bits. Yes. Then 9.
9. Yes, 9. Again 9. Oh, I got it. Yes. Yes, 10.
One more 9 is there.
One more 9.
Mhm.
Oh, yeah. I forgot.
So what is the answer?
27.
27. Yes. 27. Now next question is 5. This is the next question. 5, 3, minus 7, 9. Start.